Hey guys, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and More, coming to you all with a quick wig unboxing and wig review. This one is from the Sensational line. It is their instant weave half wig in the style GENOVA in the color 1B. Since headband wigs were all the rage this fall, I decided rather than spend a whole bunch of money trying out a headband wig, I would try a half wig and see if I liked the look of it. And then I would make my decision as to whether or not I would purchase. So this is one quick way that you can go and try the half wig out to see if you like the headband look and go from there. Again, this is from the Sensational line. The total was $14.50, guys. It is, again, the Sensational Instant Weave in the style GENOVA in the color 1B, which is your natural off black, under $15, guys. Thank you for clicking on the video. I'm Pandi of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. You all stay safe, stay encouraged, and I will definitely see you all in the next video. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to blow dry on that like button. And if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is free $99. It doesn't cost you anything.